Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Edutech. Today in the series of ManageEngine Endpoint Central tutorial, today we will discuss about how we can create a custom report to find out the particular software installation details like software name, software version, MAC address of the machine, computer name, last logon user of the particular software, and last contact time, agent live status, install location. Such kind of report you can find out through this ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool customize report. So let's start from how we can create this report. So let's go to the ManageEngine Endpoint Central console and go to the custom report. Okay, click on the custom reports here and click on the new custom report and type here the report name. So I want to find out the ManageEngine agent details, installation details. Okay, so and select the submodule here, the software, because this we want to software agent detailed. In column, select the software name, and in criteria, start with what value. Value is the ManageEngine agent. Okay, so I want exact type here the software name which install on your endpoint machine. So I type here the ManageEngine only, and column list, select the software name, software version, and what other things, software version, MAC address of the machines. So where is the MAC address? So go to the computer. Here we find the MAC address. Click on the MAC address, and what we can other things you can select what you want required. You can select, and it will show on the report. MAC address and then computer name. So computer name, computer owner, computer location. You can also select the remote office, last logon user, last contact time, agent live status. Okay, agent live status, select agent install date, operating system. You can also select here. So such kind of report you can create through. Let's see friends, just run the report and check what report created here. So you can still see here, record not found. Might be there is some software name selected is not proper. Yes, you can see here the only MANGE. So select here the proper software name so that report can create. Okay, so run this report. So you can see report is creating. So you can see friends now what is the software name. So ManageEngine desktop central, ManageEngine inbound desktop central. So ManageEngine related all the software shows here, and their version shows here, and their MAC address also shows here. The last logon user also see, you can see here. You can download this report, and everything you can see here. All the report and install date, agent live status or down status is showing in the report. So this is the method friends, how you can create the report for the particular software or installation details, and every details you can find out through this process. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment and share for such kind of videos from the ManageEngine Endpoint Central tutorial. So okay friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.